Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Some of you have seen the finished product of my holiday table decorations and have asked me to actually show them how to set the table step by step. So that's what I am going to do right now. So let's get started. In the original video, I did not set these, but I just want to show you can do both and you'll be just fine. I placed those placemats, so those gold ones, since I wanted to make it look glamorous, so I want more, as much gold as possible. I got these from Bed Bath & Beyond. You don't have to add those, but I wanted the table to look grand, and for the elegance, once it's elevated, makes the plates look so much better. So I went ahead and added those chargers, but these are absolutely unnecessary. I got those from Homegoods. I love the material. It brings out the gold on the table. So now, the next thing we want to do, we want to go ahead and start building up our centerpiece. I just added those nice little crystal balls. So as you can see, well, look, it's starting to come together. And you can change and fix as you go. It doesn't have to be, you can change things around. Now this is the way I'm going to set the utensils. So in a nutshell, this is the finished product. Hope you enjoyed that video. See you next time. Thanks for watching.